Alright, so for this video, I would like to share how we can wire self-holding relay, which is 8 pins. I'm using here a 12 volt battery. You can use either 12 volt battery or 12 volt power supply, and two switch. One is push to on, the other one is push to off, normally closed and normally open. And relay is 12 volt relay, and it's 8 pins. Why I'm using 12 volt battery? Because my relay is 12 volt. If your relay is 240 volt, then your power source must be 240 volt. If your relay is 24 volt, the power source must be 24 volt. So the power source is based on the relay voltage, relay coil voltage, right? So I'm going to show you. All right, so relay voltage is right here in the body here. So this is 12 volt DC. That's why I need to use 12 volt power supply, and there is 8 pin. So pin number 13, 14, 9, 12, 5, 8, and 1 and 4. So this we call double pole, double throw. Alright, this 13 and 14 is the coil to energize 12 volt, and this two is common pin, and this two is normally open, and this two is normally closed. Alright, so this we call double pole, double throw, 12 volt, right? We plug in back. Using these two switch, we can make it press to on, and the relay will be hold. And one more time from the push to off, then relay will off. Push to on, push off, on, off. Alright, so by right, this is only push to on, release off. But using these two and using the relay 8 pins, then we can make it on and off. Alright, so the wiring is simple here. From positive wire, we come to common pin of push to off, and one wire out from normally close of the switch here, and we connect to common pin of push to on, and out from normally open switch here, then we connect to the coil. Oh, that is pin number 14. And then the second line, and then the second line from the negative of the battery, we connect directly to pin number 13, which is negative to energize the coil. So one for positive, one for negative to energize the relay. And then from positive here, pin number 14 we connect to pin number 12, and from 12 they will loop to pin number 9. Alright, and here to make you hold the relay from normally close from the switch, we connect to pin number 8. This is the output. So the output here, I'm using 12 volt light bulb here. So one negative we connect from here directly together with pin number 13 from the battery here, the negative wire, and then one side of the positive here we connect from pin number 5. So push to on, push off, on, off. So the output is not necessarily 12 volt. The output can be 12 volt. The output can be 24 volt, 48 volt, and 240 volt. Right? You can use as a light bulb, or you can use a DC motor, or you can use a DC fan, even a large motor that will be below 5 ampere. All right. To make it clear with the diagram here, I'm going to explain right here. All right. This is a very simple drawing. So the power source is from here, positive, we connect from the COM, and one wire we off from normally close. This is push off switch. Then we connect to COM of the push on, and out from normally open. Then we connect to pin number 14. All right, and negative from the 12 volt power supply will connect to pin number 13 directly. Right, and then to make it hold the relay, from pin number 14 positive we connect to COM of the relay here, and from normally closed positive we connect to normally open side. That's we make it the relay to hold, right? So this two is the output. So my diagram from this one is to make it the loop for 240 volt AC, but here is I'm using 12 volt. All right, so you can use this 12 volt as well as you can use 240 volt. To make it 12 volt is we just need to have the output loop from the negative here, directly we loop from the light, and from normally opened we connect to the other side of the light. So I'm going to replace, this is 12 volt, I'm going to replace to 240 volt. To replace 240 volt, so there is two wire, basically two wire. So a live wire we connect to the COM here, and up from normally opened, then there we have the light, and from the neutral directly connect to the neutral. All right, so actually there is a ground wire, so the ground wire we didn't use in this diagram, right? So basically if there is ground, right, so the ground not necessary we connect to the relay. A relay is just a plastic casing, and if your light bulb there is a ground wire, then you just connect the ground, right? Okay, I'm gonna replace with 240 volt the DC AC light bulb here. So at first I'm going to remove this 12 volt light bulb. So to do that, from the negative here, I remove from the negative here, and this is the output, right? This is 12 volt light bulb. I'm already removed 12 volt light bulb. From here, from the COM, from the relay, the COM, I need to remove one COM here, because I'm going to use 240 volt. Right. Right, so that is live and live in, and live out from here. And then the neutral we connect each other here. If you're doing the wiring, you must use in the proper position. This is for demonstration purpose, so I'm just twist for temporary. All right, this is complete, and then now we can connect the power source already here and make it turn off first. Alright, so the wiring is complete, and I can turn it on the switch here, and then now we can make it on, off, on, off, on, off. Now we can control. This is 240 volt, right? So I hope you clear, and I hope you understand. Alright, so this we call a self-holding relay. Right, so off, on, off. So the wiring diagram is right here, and I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.